What's up, traders? Welcome to another C-Space trading video. As always, my subscribers, I welcome you. Thank you for following along. And today I want to speak to you guys about Activision ATVI. I know several days ago I mentioned it as being at the bottom of a trading channel, and it actually bounced off that channel, was heading back north, and I wasn't quite wanting to get in and chase it because I kind of got in a little late. And so I was waiting for a pullback. Well, our analyst at Bank of America Friday came out and downgraded EA Sports and Activision, which made them both drop 2% and actually gap down and touch that trading channel again. So I seen that as an opportunity to go ahead and get in at the bottom of that channel, and that's what I did. So let's kind of go over exactly what I seen and why I got in it, what call I got into, because I did play this an option. And let's go ahead and check that out. So guys, if you look here, we watched it bounce off this channel here that has been trading for quite some time. So once it got down here, I realized this. I've seen this stock when it was in this area. I didn't want to chase it, especially with that $75 mark coming. So I just kind of watched it consolidate. And Friday they had some news come out and said the video game industry was getting congested. You know, Fortnite was taking over, which it has, and Activision and EA Sports doesn't have a chance. Well, I believe they're wrong on that. So they're still both great companies with bright futures. So once I seen this gap down, I was all about going ahead and buying a call, because right now I like my chances here, as you know, my stop loss is going to be below, if it closes below this channel here, and even I've got to tread lightly with that because this could happen and then run back up. So I'm here basically buying a call at the bottom with a chance for it to run back up to at least 75 in the near future. And I got in on Friday for, I think, 173 was what my buy-in was. So it's already at 193, so I'm already up some money on that from just that one buy. But I've got the call out for another until September 21st, so I got about 3 weeks to collect profits on it. So I have to just keep an eye on it. If I show you the weekly just kind of shows you that strong bullish pop here off this channel, and then you just got basically a breather. It's pulling back. It's not collapsing. It's just pulling back to about 50 to 65% here, which is actually very healthy for the stock. So next week we'll have to see if this doesn't continue. I wouldn't be surprised if this thing just doesn't follow this wedge here and maybe even pop back up to 75 in the next several days. That's kind of what I'm hoping at. And once that happens, if you notice these options, you know, Thursday was trading around $3 up to $3.75 per contract. So me getting in at 170, I like my chances of this thing getting, you know, north of 250 in the next couple of days. Knowing that time's against me, I have to try to make it trade within the next week or so. But hopefully this is what's going to happen here. It's going to bounce off this channel. They'll, you know, dial into the hourly to see where all the volume came in. So you see the first hour up on high volume. That was just a sell-off that made it gap down here. We did have still higher than average buying this up, and then we had a strong sell-off, which, you know, got right back along this line, and then we had, you know, a little bit of buying, then buying kind of started picking up here. Then at the end of the day, we had a lot of people come in and basically just kind of hold it right here. So a lot of volume came in, so a lot of buyers came in and held the stock here. You know, it doesn't take a sell-off. That much volume, if it was a sell-off, it should have fell back here. So this looks like a strong indicator that, you know, a bottom has kind of been formed here on Friday. So I'm liking the trade that I've currently in, as I do feel this stock is going to continue off this channel here and continue north. So go ahead and follow along and subscribe if you want to see how it plays out for myself, and also if you're interested in watching ATVI. And if you're not aware, I do videos of this technical analysis on several different stocks that I like to channel trade. I like to, you know, watch breakouts. So if you'd like to follow along, go ahead and subscribe. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. And guys, I appreciate the viewing, and I will check you guys later.